Bitcoin price prediction as $860 million move to exchanges, signaling major sell-off ahead. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 142,971 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.3 JPG alt equals Bitcoin recap with equals 1,280 height equals 720 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.3 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.330x169 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.31924 JPG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.3 JPG 768 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,817,526.17.3 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1,208 IPS 100 WA 1,208 IPS. As the crypto market enters another week of trading, Bitcoin BTC has seen a slight decline to $41,978, dropping by nearly 50% on Sunday. This move coincides with a significant amount of Bitcoin, worth approximately $860 million, being transferred to exchanges, which could be indicative of a potential major sell-off on the horizon. Adding to the market's unease, Coinbase is set to confront the SEC in court after its plea for clear cryptocurrency regulations was denied, escalating tensions within the industry. Bitcoin stalled around $42,000 this week as investors moved $860 million of $BTC to exchanges, signaling profit-taking, Ed Block noted. Despite the short-term pullback, a perfect storm is brewing for 2024, an expert said. https://t co/RB0s HKKVGQ CoinDesk at CoinDesk December 16, 2023. Meanwhile, Blackrock has engaged in discussions with the SEC on 4 separate occasions regarding its application for a spot Bitcoin ETF, highlighting the growing interest and scrutiny in the space. Amidst all this, there are 3 network movers within the BTC ecosystem that are slipping under the radar, potentially setting the stage for unexpected market dynamics. Let's delve deeper into this. Coinbase versus SEC, a battle for regulatory clarity. Surprisingly, the news that Coinbase Global's petition for regulatory clarity was denied by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has helped to drive up the price of Bitcoin. Market players appear to view the development as evidence of the Bitcoin space's resilience despite the regulatory setback. Investors may see the legal challenge against the SEC as a step toward resolving regulatory issues, given the signs of improvement that Bitcoin has demonstrated. Breaking: SEC and Chair Gary Gensler denied Coinbase's petition for rulemaking IPS//T co/Q8CKD user Orfif. Blockworks at Blockworks December 15, 2023. Some traders' confidence has been bolstered by Coinbase's pursuit of further clarity through legal channels, which has positively impacted Bitcoin's prices. Because cryptocurrency markets are so dynamic, investors should continue to be vigilant for any occurrences that could signal a change in the market. BlackRock's pursuit of a Bitcoin ETF, in-depth dialogues with the SEC. The world's largest asset manager, Blackrock, has met with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) 4 times to discuss its proposal for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF. The primary topic of these meetings was the proposed rule change by Nasdaq to list and trade shares of the iShares Bitcoin Trust. Recently, the SEC has also engaged in discussions with Hashdex, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, and Grayscale Investments regarding their applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs. BIG breaking: Blackrock had another meeting with the SEC last night. Twitter com/wunker mun3swr. Bitcoin December 16, 2023. Notably, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler stated that the regulatory body is reassessing spot Bitcoin ETF submissions in light of recent court decisions. This has increased expectations that the SEC will approve spot Bitcoin ETFs, positively influencing Bitcoin's price. According to Bloomberg analysts, there is a 90% chance that the proposal will be approved by January 10. Such approval could lead to increased investor optimism and potentially boost demand for Bitcoin. Under the radar, 3 overlooked BTC network movers. As the main driver of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin BTC continues to be the market leader, attracting considerable attention. To assess Bitcoin's performance and growth, investors closely monitor several parameters beyond standard indicators like those on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin's total hash rate regains upward momentum alongside hash price rise, barring any major shifts in the coming week. Bitcoin's difficulty is poised for an upswing. Projections based on current data suggest an increase ranging from 1.64% to 4.5% on December 23. According to data, Samantha Reynolds at Samantha Reynolds December 17, 2023. 3 important on-chain indicators demonstrate its dynamics. First, according to the distribution of addresses based on holding duration, 69.23% of all addresses are holders, meaning they have retained Bitcoin for more than a year. This group significantly outnumbers traders 78%, who hold for at least 3 months, and cruisers 99%, who sell frequently. Second, the hash rate, a proxy for Bitcoin's network difficulty, is crucial. On September 1, the hash rate was 368,924,260.618 th/s, and it has currently risen to 493,313,217.742 th/s. A higher hash rate not only enhances network security but also indirectly contributes to the asset's scarcity. Lastly, the exchange net flow, which is currently a negative $62.57 million, indicates a net outflow from exchanges. This trend could reduce selling pressure and improve sentiment surrounding Bitcoin's price. These measurements might be viewed positively by investors, potentially boosting Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin, the foreigner of the cryptocurrency market, is trading at $42,375 today, with a substantial 24-hour trading volume of $17.26 billion. Analyzing the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's pivot point is at $41,735, coinciding with the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. We observe immediate resistance at $42,885, followed by higher resistance levels at $44,738 and $46,020. Hash Bitcoin update, BTC trades at $42,375 with a 0.17% uptick. Key levels to watch: pivot, $41,735 resistances, $42,885, $44,738, $46,020 supports, $40,700, $39,775, $38,350 RSI at 43, hinting neutrality. Above $41,735. Bullish trend ahead. Hash crypto news. Hash BTC forecast. Arslan Ali at Forks. Arslan December 17, 2023. Conversely, the immediate support lies at $40,700, 38.2% Fibonacci level, with further supports at $39,775, 50% Fibonacci level, and $38,350, 61.8% Fibonacci level. The relative strength index RSI is currently at 43, indicating a neutral market sentiment. This figure suggests neither overbought nor oversold conditions, but a potential leaning towards bearish sentiment. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA is at $42,300, closely aligned with Bitcoin's current price, indicating a potential short-term bullish trend. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView chart analysis reveals an upward trendline supporting Bitcoin around the $41,735 mark. The closure of candlesticks below this trendline, or the pivot point area, could trigger a bearish momentum, driving prices towards the 50% or 61.8% Fibonacci levels. In conclusion, the overall trend for Bitcoin appears bullish above the $41,735 level. The short-term forecast suggests that Bitcoin may test the resistance levels in the coming days, particularly if it sustains above the pivot point and the 50 EMA. However, investors should remain vigilant for any shifts below these critical levels, which could indicate a change in market sentiment. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry, talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals img id equals newsletter pop-up img